Hello guys, this is Adam from Fiber Link. Today I'm going to introduce you our latest game-changing 4-in-1 8K HDMI AOC Cable Drum. This cable drum integrates 4 individual channels. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 channels with the detachable MPO connection and into 4 channels into one armored cable. This is the source side, same as the display side. It has 4 channels into one. One, two, three, 4 channels with also with the detachable MPO connection into one cable. This is the display side. As you can see, each channel has a USB power cable. You may wonder why it needs the external power, because this cable is made of pure fiber OM3 without copper cable to deliver the power from the transmitting module to the receiving module. That is why we need external power to boost this module. To make it easy understanding, this cable drum mainly has 3 parts. First one is the source part. Second one is the main extension part. And the third one is the display part. Both the source side and the display side are pre-terminated with MPO to HDMI connection with a length of 1.5 meter, that is 55 feet. As you can see, each channel has a number ring 1, 2, 3, 4, and same for the display side 1, 2, 3, 4. The main extension cable has 24 OM3 fibers inside with stainless steel armor and the TPE jacket sheath to make it strong enough for the harsh environment. Each channel is composed of 6 fibers. That is 4 channels, 24 fibers total. This cable featuring detachable MPO connection. This is the MPO connection and the MPO adapter, and for the main cable, it's also MPO. Very easy and convenient for the connection. Some customers may consider the MPO connection fragile in harsh environment. Actually, we have this solution to protect it. They will be screwed securely. When any of the cable head, no matter source or display side, is not working, you can unscrew the protection, take off the MPO, and change the vernier one by yourself. No need to repair the whole cable drum or throw it away. By doing this, you can save a minute. Another advantage of this cable drum is you can also use any of the channel with the other fiber optic cable. For example, we have MPO26 LC patch cable. You can connect it with any of the channel. Now we connect channel 1. And same as the display side, channel 1. In this way, you will have this cable drum has 6 LC in, 6 LC out, and 3 HDMI in and 3 HDMI out. Of course, you can also exchange the other 3 channels of HDMI with the LC to MPO connection. That means you can have 24 LC in and 24 LC out for this whole cable drum. To sum up, this cable featuring advantages of high density, long extension, detachable for easy maintenance and installation, and universal compatibility with traditional single mode or multi-mode SC, LC, FC, ST connections. And the cable can be supplied with the customized length from 5 meters to 500 meters, without drum or with drum.